September 17th, 2020, let's practice. Number 1, drag and place the following exponential terms in order from least to greatest. So you can take these terms and you can click on them and drag them into which spot in order from least to greatest. So that's a key term, least to greatest. So that means what? Smallest to biggest, small to big. All right, now when we're doing this, when we're doing this, let's try to solve them and see what they all equal. All right, 4 to the third power, that means 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. We did not use that other 4 yet. 16 times 4, I'm gonna help you out here. It is 64. So 4 to the third power is 64. 2 to the 5th power, I am going to do that down here. 2 times, oh, can you see? Sorry, my bad. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2. 4 times 4, 16 times 2. 16 times 2, 32. So 2 to the 5th power is 32. Alrighty, let's do 2 to the 4th power. We can write it in blue. Okay, so we'll do this one in black. So 2 to the 4th power, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So 2 to the 4th power is going to be 16. Let's take a look at 7 squared. What is 7 times 7? Not 7 times 2, remember. 7 times 7. Oh, that's 49. That is 49. 3 to the 3rd power is going to be 3 times 3 times 3. What is 3 times 3? That is 9. Times 3, we didn't use that yet. What is 9 times 3? 27. Now, we're going to place them in order from least to greatest. So what is the smallest answer here? 64, 32, 16, 49, or 27? 16 is our smallest answer. So 16 is our smallest answer. That is 2 to the 4th power. So I'm going to drag that to the first spot because it's small to big, least to greatest. The next smallest. So we're done with that one. 64, 32, 49, or 27? 27. So 3 to the 3rd power, or 3 cubed. How about the next one? So we're done with this, done with this. We have either 49, 32, or 64. Well, 32, so 2 to the 5th power. Then notice how 2 to the 4th power and 2 to the 5th power, we have a different exponential term in there. Between that. That's pretty cool. All right, now 64 or 49. 49 is smaller, so 7 to the 2nd power, or 7 squared. And then finally, last but not least, we have 4 to the 3rd power, or 4 cubed. So those are in order from least to greatest. All right, let's take a look at number 2. We are going to compare the values for 2 to the 5th power and 5 squared. Which is greater in value? So let's solve them. Let's see. 2 to the 5th power means, oh, we did that over here on this page, you guys. 2 to the 5th power is what? Well, 2 to the 5th power, we did it down here. It equals 32. So 2 to the 5th power, I'm going to write up here, it equals 32. Now 5 to the 2nd power, or 5 squared, means what? That means 5 times 5, which is 25. So which is greater in value? The greater value is 5 squared, or 5 to the 2nd power. Or you can write the second one, that's fine too. Which base is squared? So remember, our base is the bigger number on the bottom, the basement, not the exponent to the top. So our base, which is squared, so a 5, that's not squared. Oh, this 2, 5 squared again. So the 5 is squared. So you can just write 5, or you can write 5 squared. Which has more digits when writing it in expanded form? So expanded form for 2 to the 5th power is going to equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the 2nd power, or 5 squared, is 5 times 5. So, oh my goodness, why did I put 5 squared up here? I apologize. Greater value is going to be the 32, 2 to the 5th power. My bad, that was completely my fault. I apologize. 2 to the 5th power. Whoa. I'm reading numbers backwards. And then this one is correct, the base squared, which has more digits when writing in expanded form. So which has more digits? Well, 2 to the 5th power has more digits. So you can either write 2 to the 5th power, or you can copy and paste it too into the answer box. I apologize about that little mistake up there, but at least we caught it and we went back to it. See, everybody makes mistakes. Do not stress. Alrighty, that is it for our Let's Practice.